Hey everyone, it's Dave from needworking.com again, and today we're here to talk about events and event planning. So I know sometimes it's difficult to find an event in Eventbrite. So we've actually made this really cool little tool for you as a networker to go in and find different events that might be happening in your area or your region. So you go on your left-hand side of the nav bar and you hit Explore Events. And Maryland, for example, you can see all the different things that are happening in Maryland that are coming up. And then different regions, we've got other things happening too. So you can find events that might be happening in Texas or Kentucky. So we're adding more events as we go along. If you know of events, please include them. So now I want to show you actually how to manage and put in your own event. So right here, I've already started to create one, but you want to go into your right-hand side and hit create a new event. And then that's when you'll be prompted with some tips on the event itself. You hit gotcha. And then you can start going into this event and creating it. Now, since I've already set it up in the beginning, I'm just going to go into my edit area and show you what that looks like. So this event is RVA Green Drinks happening down in Richmond. And I put some basic information, tagline, type of event. You can figure out whether it's a concert, conference, convention, etc. And then the different topics. So the topics of this event might include environment, big ideas, agriculture. If there are any topics that are not in here, tell us, let us know, and we can help you with those topics and set it up, because that's where people meet and you'll get into your need feed based off of the topics that we do. So event mode, this is an in-person. We've got a builder here. This is powered by Google, so you can go in and just put your location in, the time of date of the event itself, and then the target audience. So it's 21 and over because it's drinking involved. Permissions, you can have your members permit. So you hit save and next. Now, this is what I wanted to show you just for the sake of building these out. So right here, you have a logo itself, and you've got a drag and drop. Now, if you just put a regular screenshot in of the event, it'll probably blow up and not work. So yeah, see how ugly that looks? So my recommendation is go to Canva. If you aren't using Canva, it's such a great, easy tool to use. So in here, you can actually design something, and these are 1200 by 300. So I just basically snipped that image into Canva, and you can move it over and pop it into a little banner look and feel. I always put it on the right-hand side because we've got that other logo on the one side, so this way it just cleans it up a little bit. Then you hit share, download it on Canva, and voila, it should be in my directory to use. And so we're going to remove that banner, and then we're going to add the new one, and then it pops up. So right here, the same thing happened with this logo as well. So you want to go in, clean that up, use it for Canva, and with that one's actually a 300 by 300. So go in and build that for 300 by 300. So we're just going to hit next. Now here's where you can add speakers. Now I don't have speakers that I know that are here, but if you've got people in your network that you've put in for an ally and have contacted, great, put your speakers in. The other thing that's kind of fun and neat that we do in here is embed Eventbrite. So if you see on here, you've got a number that's affiliated with Eventbrite. You just copy that number, and then you go back to Needworking, and you put that ID itself into it and hit enter. If you have a promo code, you can add promo codes to, or what have you, but now it's connected to Eventbrite. And then if you have attendees, so you can go in here and add and send to all of your people that you know, or if you've got other people that you want to upload your contacts, you can do that or send it later. So that's it. I mean, that's pretty much the event itself. So I just hit launch. So we can go back to the home page and look at events and explore events now. And let's say you look in Virginia to explore your event. And there it is, RVA Green Drinks. So we'll get that out and we'll send it, but I just wanted to put it in to show you a different way to set up an event. So thanks for joining me.